Hey guys, do you have a Nintendo Switch and maybe some games with it? And you want to take your gaming with you, but you don't have a good way to store it? Then you need this carrying case for the Nintendo Switch. So let's take a closer look at it. So this case is made by EGRD, looks like. I guess that's how you'd say it. And this is how it comes in, just in this plastic bag. So let's go ahead and get it out. And look at that, guys. It looks really, really good. So we got some nice little zippers here with branding on them. We have a little carrying handle here that's got a rubber feel to it. And that's what the back looks like. So this case should be able to hold the Switch and, you know, the accessories that you want to bring with you, like games and whatnot else. So let's go ahead and unzip this thing. So the zipper seems to be working really nice. You got a really good feel to them. All right, so this is what we see inside. So I'm guessing the Switch goes down here and there's a little strap here. I'm guessing that's to raise it up easier. And then it looks like we have like this foldable thing. I think it's for games maybe. There's a bunch of little slots in here. I guess that is for the little cards that you can put in here. And here on the top we have another little pocket with a zipper. So here you can put like, you know, little extra things in there, whatever else that you're gonna carry around with you. So our Switch has the protector cover here, the clear one. It's like a little plastic kit and it came with a screen protector. And it's been really nice overall. If you guys need some kind of protection for the Switch, this is a good option. So I guess you'll take this string here and just lay it over, and then we'll just put the Switch right in. So the reason they have this is so you can get it out easy when you're ready to pick it up. So it just makes it a lot easier to grab it. So it seems to be holding it really good, and it's not moving around in there at all almost. It has a little bit of play here and there, but it's, you know, it's pretty sturdy in there overall. So let's see how you would put the games in. This thing flaps up here and you got quite a few. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can put 10 things in here. In any case, guys, we got 3 games here. So let's go ahead and put them in there. It's like a little pocket. They don't go all the way through. It's sewed down here. So they just kind of sit in like that. So there we go. Now we got our games in there. All right, guys, so I finally figured out what all this stuff is here for. So this is just a prop for the console itself. So all you do with it is just take it out and put it like this, and then it becomes like a little prop stand, I guess, for the Switch, just like that. And so now I guess, you know, if you're out portable somewhere and you just want to use your Switch for, you know, a quick gameplay or something, you can use it like this, you know, or at least you have a place to set it down where, you know, if you're gonna watch a movie or whatever you're gonna do on this thing. It's actually a really, really cool idea. You know, it makes this case a lot more versatile on the go for sure. So, and when you're done with it, just prop it up, lay it down, and then this just tucks in just like that. You know, lay it over, close it, zip it up. And it's kind of cool that, you know, you can put all your chargers and whatnot else in here and it will be protected between this layer here. So yeah, guys, this is a really cool case. And as you can see, it zips really easy. And, you know, then you carry it away. So now you can go with your Switch anywhere. So if you travel a lot, or, you know, just bring your Switch with you all the time, this could be a really, really nice little case just for that. So, and also if this logo bothers you, then, you know, you can get a Sharpie and black it out where it doesn't stand out as much, or you can just put some kind of sticker on top of it. So I almost wish they would have made it small somewhere on the side and maybe made it in gray letters, maybe like right here or something. That would have been a lot, you know, cleaner look. But other than that, it looks amazing. So this side right here doesn't have the logo, and you can see that's what it would looks like with that one. So alright, guys, and this is a case for the Nintendo Switch. So it seems to be very good quality overall, and I think it will last. So if you're looking for a case that's not too much money, then this might be your answer here. This goes for around 15 to 20 bucks. So a pretty good deal for what it has to offer. So if you want to pick one of these up, guys, I'll leave some links in the description. Check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this and other reviews I do on this channel, then hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.